So we're going to talk about meditation, right? And the benefits of meditation are far-reaching, but you can amp up the stress reduction and healing work of meditation by using rose quartz. So if you sit upright for meditation, I recommend holding it in your left hand. And meditation is one of those things that, despite recognizing that it fully works scientifically and that it makes actual changes on the cellular level in your body, that each person is 100% unique. And so there's no one protocol for meditation that works for everyone. So one thing that is very, very simple is to hold rose quartz in your left hand. And you can use it in any type of meditation. But a quick and easy way to just sort of snap out of it is to hold the rose quartz in your left hand. Then take your right hand, and you guys can do this with me, right? You're going to touch your first finger to your thumb, your second finger to your thumb, your third finger to your thumb, and your pinky. And you're going to say, peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. It's a quick 1-minute meditation, and you can do it really, really fast. You only have to do that 10, 20 times. You can do it with your eyes closed or your eyes open. To be honest, I do it in traffic. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. Usually with my eyes open, right? And it's a great way to just instantly reduce that stress using rose quartz to enhance it, okay?